quadratic inequalities. Here's question 1. So we're going to factorize this equation here. Factorize. So the factors are minus 5, which add up to minus 4. So factors of minus 5, which add up to minus 4 are 1 and minus 5. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 less than or equal to 0 is written as x plus 1 then x minus 5. So therefore the critical values are x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 5. Now we can sketch a graph. So minus 1 is here, then 5 is there. Because the coefficient of x squared is positive, so the shape is happy face or U shape. So you can sketch a graph. Then, because the inequality signs say less than or equal to 0, so therefore you shade below the x-axis. So this is the part of the curve we need. The corresponding values of x start from minus 1 and stop at 5. So solution start from minus 1 and stop at 5. So both numbers are included. So x is greater than minus 1 or equal to and is less than or equal to 5. Question 2. Factorize first. Factors of minus 21, which add up to 4. So factors of minus 21, which add up to 4 are 7 and minus 3. So x squared plus 4x minus 21 greater than or equal to 0 can be written as x plus 7, then x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So the critical values are x equal to minus 7 or x equal to 3. So minus 7 or 3. Again, the coefficient of x squared is positive, so shape is U shape. Now you can sketch a graph. This time, the inequality signs say greater than or equal to, therefore you shade above the x-axis. Then the corresponding values of x are minus 7 or less, 3 or more. So the solution you write as two separate statements. X is less than or equal to minus 7, or x is greater than or equal to 3. Question 3. First we multiply everything by minus 1 and reverse the sign of inequality. So we get x squared plus 4x minus 12, then the sign goes greater than or equal to 0. Now factors of minus 12, which add up to 4, they are 6 and minus 2. So the critical values, x equal to minus 6 or x equal to 2. Now because here coefficient x squared is positive, so the shape is a happy face. Now let's sketch a curve. Now again, the signs say greater than or equal to, so we shade above the x-axis. So we get a solution. X is less than or equal to minus 6, or x is greater than or equal to 2. Or we can do this question, just have a minus sign outside, then write x squared minus 4x, which becomes plus 4x then, minus 12, less than or equal to 0. So you factorize inside, so it's x plus 6, x minus 2. So the critical values are again x equal to minus 6 or x equal to 2. Now this time, because the coefficient x squared is negative, so the shape is sad face or N shape. Then just sketch curve. Now because less than or equal to 0, the inequality sign, so therefore you shade the curve below the x-axis. So the corresponding solutions, minus 6 or less, 2 or more. So x is less than or equal to minus 6, or x is greater than or equal to 2.